Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Design software. First, let's navigate the workspace. You'll find the main toolbar on the left, offering essential tools for creation and editing. The options bar at the top dynamically changes based on your selected tool, providing precise controls. Panels on the right manage layers, colors, and properties. Always begin by creating a new document, perhaps a web-ready canvas of 1920 by 1080 pixels, or a print-friendly 8½ by 11 inches. Remember to save your progress often. Now let's dive into the core tools that form the backbone of your design work. The selection tool, often the first you'll reach for, allows you to precisely position and resize elements. For intricate shapes, the pen tool is indispensable, letting you craft smooth vector paths with just a few clicks. When adding text, the Type tool offers extensive control over fonts, sizes, and spacing, ensuring your message is clear. Don't forget the Brush tool for adding artistic flair, with hundreds of options available. Beyond the tools, understanding fundamental design principles is crucial for creating impactful visuals. Hierarchy helps direct attention, ensuring important elements stand out. Consistency in your chosen fonts, color palette, and spacing across all elements builds a professional and unified aesthetic. Embrace negative space. It's not just empty area but a powerful tool for balance and clarity. Finally, a grasp of color theory, perhaps using a complementary scheme, will allow you to evoke specific moods and create visually harmonious compositions. Once your masterpiece is complete, the final step is preparing it for the world. Exporting correctly is vital for different platforms. For web, choose JPEG for photographs or PNG for images requiring transparency, aiming for file sizes under 500 kilobytes for optimal loading. For print, PDF is often the best choice, ensuring all elements are preserved. Always consider color profiles. sRGB is ideal for screens, while CMYK is essential for accurate print reproduction, guaranteeing your design looks exactly as intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.